Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. For those who are watching me for the first time, hey, this is Jyoti and I am vlogging today subah se morning so that I can share with you मैं क्या क्या करने वाली हूँ. आई करी तौरे. Okay, so abhi to anyways I'll go and make the breakfast and then we'll watch something on TV and then we'll enjoy our breakfast. So yes, ये सब मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ and along with that I'm also going to show you something very important. मैंने वो already shoot करके रखा है and so you can go and watch it. इस clip के बाद ही मैं उस clip को add करूँगी तो देख लेना. अच्छा लगेगा तो comment करके ज़रूर बताना. मेरे लिए कुछ अमेजिंग सी बेडशीट मेरा लिंक से, तो मैं आपको वो थोड़ा सा एक वीडियो क्लिपिंग में दिखा दूंगी कि मैंने क्या ख़रीदा है, कैसे ख़रीदा है, कैसा दिखता है, प्राइसिंग क्या है, सब कुछ डिटेल्स में. पसंद आए तो जाओ देखो और मुझे ज़रूर बताना. एंड अगर आपने मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया है अभी तक तो whom are you waiting for and what are you waiting for? इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओ, वहाँ मुझे फॉलो करो. आई मेक अमेजिंग रील्स बिकॉज आई लव टू मेक रील्स. आई डोंट नो इफ दे आर अमेजिंग और नॉट, बट मेरे हिसाब से वो अमेजिंग है क्योंकि आई एंजॉय मेकिंग रील्स. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉच रील्स ओवर देयर तो वहाँ जाओ. मैं एक दो रील्स भी लगा दूँगी यहाँ पे ताकि आपको एक आइडिया हो जाए यू नो मैं कितनी ओवर एक्टिंग करती हूँ. बिकॉज यू नो इंस्टा गिव यू द फ्रीडम ऑफ ओवर एक्टिंग. सो या एंड आई लव ओवर एक्टिंग. तो अगर मुझे फॉलो करना है तो मैं लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दे दूँगी, यहाँ स्क्रीन पे भी लगा दूँगी. इट्स वेरी सिंपल, starjyoti.pandey मेरा इंस्टा ID है. जाओ सर्च करो, फॉलो करो, मुझे DM करो, हम बातें करेंगी. एंड ये वीडियो देखो, अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. एंड चलो ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं और साथ में खाते हैं. चलो. I purchased it from Mera Link. The link is in the description box below. If you find this good and if you are interested in purchasing, you can go and click onto the link given in the description box below and enjoy your shopping. Yes, one more thing, WhatsApp facility is also there. So in case like you know when you click on to the link you will also get a WhatsApp logo. So when you click onto the WhatsApp you will actually get connected with a person who will help you with answering all your questions and whatever suggestions if you want. And if whatever, it's like just you know you can talk to them and you can talk about everything. You have a cash on delivery with these items, so they give you cash on delivery, they give you what else, free delivery, right? And they also give you this return policy. So if in case you find there's anything wrong sizes or any damage based this any such issues, you can always you know return this back. And yeah, cool. I think this is really cool. So let me start with this. As I said, I'll mention all the brand names on the screen so that it'll be easier for you to understand. So this first is what is it called? It's called Vinay Handloom Microfiber Tulip Flower Bedsheet with 2 pillow covers. So I will show you the sizes of the pillow covers. You just see it's like so big. I don't know if this fits into my screen. So it's like really big pillow cover. So this type of 2 pillow covers I've received with this package, and a really good size bed sheet. Okay, it's like huge, big. I have a king size, you all know that, king size bed, and you can see it comes like this. So I'll show you exactly. I mean, you know, this beautiful pattern, the tulip flower pattern. You'll see this on the entire bedsheet. The material is really soft. It's cotton and washable, so nothing to worry about that. And this is double bed and it cost me only 529 rupees. Yes, free delivery, COD available, returnable policy, and with this price, okay, 529. And also like there are lots of discounts and you know offers, so deal of the day and stuff like that keeps on going, so you can obviously get more discounts if you're lucky. This is like, now you will fall in love with this item. Yes, because first of all I would like to show you the packaging. So yeah, so can you see this? So it comes like this, okay, this kind of packaging. Now when I open this, I have a lot of surprise for you. Now let me tell you, the name of this brand is Morado. wave glaze cotton bed sheets, all cotton bed sheets. Now what is amazing about this is 2 quilted pillow covers and 2 quilted filled cushions. Yes. So can you see this? Oh, can you see this cushions? You don't only get 2 pillow covers, but you also get these 2 lovely cushions, which add so much to your bed. Your bed looks so amazing. Oh my god. Otherwise you always have to buy cushions extra, additional, giving extra money, but you get these 2 filled cushions, okay, with 2 pillow covers and good size pillow covers. Just look at this. Okay, this is like really large pillow covers. I have king size bed and king size pillows, so this fits into them like really nice. So these also have, can you see this, you know, very nice stitching. Okay, this has like really nice stitching patterns. It's like properly stitched, no loose threads, and it's like really cushiony and nice, and the cushion is an absolute love. You also get a zip here at the back, so you can, you know, just unlock it, and you know, you can wash this. These are all machine wash, hand wash, whatever you want to do. So you get, it's very comfy, and the price you won't believe, you get this just for just 849 rupees, and I am not kidding you. I'm really happy with this purchase, and I hope you like it too. So moving on to the next one is, again, because I was in love with this cushion thing, so I thought, why not buy one more. So this is one more purchase, comes in the same similar kind of packaging, a beautiful, you know, Ziploc package. And again here, same, you get this 2 cushions. Okay, you have this zipper here, so you can obviously, let me also show you this. So you can, like, you know, open it from here. These are really soft cushions. Okay, these are like really soft ones. So you can obviously take this covers off, and you can wash them if they're dirty. So you don't only get cushions, but you also get cushion covers. Like, how amazing it is. So you get 2 pillow covers, which are again same sizes as shown previously. See the length. This is the length of the pillows, which are really huge and big, and same stitching kind of pattern. This comes with geometric pattern. The previous one was with, you know, like little this way. So this is more of geometric pattern. The name of the brand is Morado Geometric Glaze Cotton Double Bedsheet. This again with 2 filled quilt pillow covers and 2 quilt filled cushions, which is amazing. Okay, now coming to the last one, but not the least, purchase of mine, which is Morado 100% blue cotton double bedsheet with 2 king size pillow covers. So which is this beautiful piece. You will see all of it here in the window, so you can see how gorgeous these looks on my bed. Now let me also show you the pillow covers, that amazing pillow covers. My pillows are like really huge and big. Okay, so if something fits into my pillow covers, it will fit to anything in this world. So this is how it looks. So this is the size. You see how big it is. So it's like really huge. It's very big, and of course you can see the bed sheet, how amazing it's looking. It's again cotton bed sheets. Okay, so the looks are amazing, the patterns are amazing. It's all gorgeous. You can see this is how it looks like. If you want to get a closer look, this is how it looks. And I think these are amazing. And the price for this is 879 rupees only, and this gives you a very rich look when it spreads on your bed. Amazing purchase. So this was my 4 amazing bed sheets. This shopping with Mera link, and as mentioned, the description box may you go and you can find the link. You can go and shop from there. Do let me know in the comment section below what all you have thought about this. I'm gonna shop a lot more because I feel this app gives you really cheap price with great quality. Okay, that is why I'm making the video, because the qualities are great. And yeah, do let me know what all you have bought. If you're shopping from there, do share it with me.
सो यहाँ पर मैं बना रही हूँ हमारा गरम गरम ब्रेकफास्ट, जो कि है मैगी, सिंपल टू मेक एंड यमी टू ईट। तो हाँ, कभी कभार ऐसा हो जाता है कि हम ऐसा अनहेल्दी स्नैक खाते हैं, तो ये हम ब्रेकफास्ट एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। एंड साथ में व्हाट आर वी आर वाचिंग माय व्लॉग्स। हाँ, तो मैं और हम सब बैठ के यहाँ पर मेरा व्लॉग्स देख रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Because it's time for us to move and get the girl home. I mean, first the wedding and then girl home. Please let's start.
हंस क्यों रही हो?
हंसी होती है, मैं स्माइल।
हाँ वही, जो भी करियो तुम। क्यों करेगा?
किसका मुंह है? मेरा मुंह है। मैं हंसूं, मैं स्माइल करूं, मैं रोऊं, मैं गाना गाऊं, भजन गाऊं, मेरी मर्जी।
आप कोशिश कीजिए हमें उनसे दूर रखने की, हम इंतजार करेंगे उनके करीब आने का।
बचपन से लोग हमें कहते थे तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो मस्तानी। आज पहली बार एहसास हुआ, आप जैसी औरत भी इस रूप से डरती है ये